Diwali is almost here, and honestly, this is my favorite time of the year. Everywhere there are beautiful lights, colors, and mind blowing lanterns, and of course, the festive vibe in the air. Me and my parents came here at stalls to find any unique Diwali essentials. We saw from diyas to fairy lights and cute torans. We finally bought some snacks and lantern and some bangles. Diwali cleaning has officially begun, starting with my mini library. To be honest, this cleaning felt so productive, clean space, and cozy Diwali vibes. My dad bought home some beautiful roses and flowers today, so I thought why not give them a little home too, like decorate them. Just a few flowers, but they were just so pretty. I couldn't resist looking at them, so I decided to decorate them in a vase. By the way, while I was filming this video, the lighting and the weather was so cozy, it felt so soft and peaceful. Now, with some flowers which are left, I'm gonna decorate them in my room. We have decorated our room with lights. It's so pretty. Diwali nights just hits different. Soft lights, warm and cozy environment everywhere. Spot. The lantern. Kandil. I love the blue one. I actually chose this. And the orange lights complementing it. Perfect. This is what Vidisha did. A small, cute rangoli. Right, Vidisha? So I'm attempting to do rangoli right now. So I'm attempting to do a beautiful rangoli right now. So for that, first I'm going to go through some pictures and some inspiration from Pinterest, and then we'll get started. The way this gorgeous, it's so pretty. Let me show you. Look at it, so pretty. Okay, we'll get started now. तो मैंने ना थोड़ा सा ड्रॉ करके रखा है, मतलब दिखेगा नहीं इधर, पेंसिल से ड्रॉ किया है, so it will be easy for me to start doing rangoli. So we have our own colors. and some tools right now. जब मैं छोटी थी ना तभी आई यूज टू डू मैनी रंगोली, बहुत ज़्यादा रंगोली करती थी. I remember I had done शिनशान वाली रंगोली. शिनशान और बो मैंने ड्रॉ किया था और मैंने बहुत फ्लोरल रंगोली भी ट्राई की थी, पर उसके बाद में मैंने इतना कुछ किया नहीं. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड. Look at this. Oh, but I'm still going to trust the process. I was really confident at start, but now I'm not. I feel like मैं बहुत रॉन्ग पकड़ रही हूँ. मतलब ये ऐसा पकड़ रही हूँ, निकल बहुत प्रॉपर है. मैं भूल गई हूँ कैसा निकालते हैं रंगोली भाई. भाई ओके, मैं तो करके अच्छा करूँगी. लेट्स ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस गाइस. हमारी महान आर्टिस्ट आई है. The thing I ruined, now she's going to make it more prettier. अच्छा आहे, मस्त वाटतंय ते. To be honest, Vidisha came to help me as I was nearly crashing out. Even though she said it looked good, I wasn't agreeing because I had high expectations because I saw Pinterest, and in Pinterest there were so many beautiful rangolis. So I thought, overconfidence by the way, I thought I would basically do amazing rangoli. मुझसे होने वाला है अच्छा, but sadly I am at a beginner's level, so I was creating mess, and in the end I kind of gave up but finished my rangoli. What is baby? Kahin nahi. This is the final result. Vidisha helped me to do these patterns, so उससे ज़रा अच्छा दिख रहा है. और अभी she's spreading the glitter on the whites because वो दिख ही नहीं रहे थे white board पे. Yeah, done. कसं वाटतंय विदिशा? Okay. Going out for buying some sweets and some gifts. The streets are glowing and the sweet shop smells so good right now. Hello guys, I'm ready. By the way, I love this earrings. They're my favorite. Oh. So I'm currently reading the do-over. She's looking at me. Oh my god, Vidisha. So I'm currently reading the do-over. So अभी तक मेरा इतना हो गया है. रीड करके विदिशा भी रीड कर रही है. इसका ज़्यादा हुआ है. So yeah, let's read. Today was all about chilling. Me and my family went out to watch a movie, but before that we grabbed something to eat and just enjoyed the day. मला पण व्हिडिओ करणार.
तेव्हा त्या आईला सांगायची काय मामाला सांगायची
The house was full of laughter as my cousins came home. It was total chaos, but the best kind. We played many games and even watched a movie. At night, we clicked a lot of pictures and it felt like a mini Diwali party at home.
असं करून बघू शकतो तो दाखवेल डाळ लागेल
We have Jivika with us and Vidisha trying to be the main character. Lighting मस्त दिसतात किती ना मला खूप आवडले लाइटिंग मस्त दिसतात मला आवडतं मिक्स लँग्वेज बोलली तुला चिड येते ठीक है मराठी में बोलते तो अभी हम करने वाले हैं भाई
New financial plan of marketing strategy for makeup. Install of hardware Now we will see our results. Oh God!
Okay. Wow, मी whole time खालचं दाखवते. Okay, let's see.
Okay, congratulations, you have finished the assignment. Okay.
सो एंड में सबके रिजल्ट्स एग्जैक्ट सेम आए थे मतलब वर्ड टू वर्ड सेम आए थे सो इट्स स्टूपिड टू शो लाइक द होल प्रोसेस ऑफ अस रीडिंग द द रिज़ल्ट क्योंकि सबको सेम आए थे एंड वी वर कंफ्यूज कि सबको सेम क्यों आया इसलिए वी आर लाइक लाफिंग लाइक एग्जैक्ट सेम आए सो दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो लेट्स मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो until then